Hello students, welcome to the sixth session of tools and methods used in cyber crimes. In this session, we will study what is keylogger and what is spyware. Keystroke logging, also called as keylogging, is the practice of capturing the keys struck on a keyboard in such a way that the person using the keyboard is unaware that such actions are being monitored. So basically it is process of collecting data typed through keyboard for criminal purpose without users knowledge. Keystroke logger or keylogger is quicker and easier way of capturing the passwords and monitoring the victim's behavior. It is classified as software keylogger and hardware keylogger. So the first one is software keylogger. Software keyloggers are software programs installed on computer system which usually are located between the operating system and the keyboard hardware, and every keystroke is recorded. Software keyloggers are installed on a computer system by trojans or viruses without the knowledge of the user. Cyber criminals always install such tools on the insecure computer system available in public places like cyber cafe, library, etc., and can obtain the required information about the victim very easily. A keylogger usually consists of two files that get installed in the same directory. A dynamic link library, that is DLL file, and executable file, that is exe file, that installs the DLL file and trigger it to work. DLL does all the recording of key strokes. SC Keylog Pro, all-in-one keylogger, stealth keylogger, perfect keylogger, spy buddy, cyber spy, powered keylogger. These are some examples of software keylogger. Second type is hardware keylogger. To install these keyloggers, physical access to the computer system is required. Hardware keyloggers are small hardware devices. These are connected to the computer or to the keyboard and save every keystroke into the file or in the memory of hardware device. Cyber criminals install such devices on ATM machines to capture ATM card's PIN number. Each key pressed on the keyboard of the ATM gets registered by the key logger. Next, we will see anti-keylogger. Anti-keylogger is a tool that can detect the keylogger installed on the computer system and also can remove the tool. Advantages of using anti-logger are as follows. The first one is firewalls cannot detect the installation of keyloggers on the system. Hence, anti-keylogger can detect installation of keylogger. Second, this software does not require regular update of signature bases to work effectively such as other antivirus and anti-spyware programs. Third one, prevents internet banking frauds. Fourth, it prevents ID theft. Next, it secures email and instant messaging or chatting. Next topic is spywares. Spyware is a type of malware that is installed on computers which collects information about users without their knowledge. The presence of software is typically hidden from the user. It is secretly installed on the user's personal computer. Sometimes spyware such as keylogger are installed by the owner of shared corporate or public computer on purpose to secretly monitor other users. It is clearly understood from the term spyware that is secretly monitors the user. The features and function of such spywares are simple monitoring spyware programs collect personal information about the victim such as internet surfing patterns and website visited. The spyware can also redirect internet surfing by installing another stealth utility on the user computer. Spyware may also have an ability to change computer settings which may result in slowing of the internet connection speeds and slowing of response time that may result into user complaining about the internet speed to the internet service provider. So that's it for today's session. In next session we will study viruses and worms.